In this powerful speech, Denzel Washington shares some of his most inspiring lessons on life, success, and the importance of taking risks. He reminds us that failure is not something to fear. It's actually a necessary part of reaching our goals. Here's what we can learn from his words. Take risks and keep going. In his speech, Denzel Washington says something really important. Don't be afraid to take risks. If you want to achieve something big in life, you can't just play it safe all the time. You have to step out of your comfort zone, try new things, and yes, sometimes fail. He shares a story about when he auditioned for a Broadway show. He thought he was perfect for the role, but there was one problem. He couldn't sing. And guess what? He didn't get the part. But instead of giving up, he didn't fall back. He kept going. He kept auditioning and learning from every no until one day he got his big break. If you fail, don't quit. Keep moving forward. Every time you fail, you get one step closer to success. Denzel says, fall forward. That means even when things don't go as planned, always keep going. And remember, failure is just part of the journey. Fall forward, not backward. Denzel Washington drops a major truth bomb. If you're going to fall, fall forward. What does that mean? It's simple. Life is full of ups and downs, and you will fail at times. But instead of letting failure hold you back, use it as a lesson to move forward. Don't fall back into old habits, regrets, or fear. Fall forward, meaning learn from your mistakes and keep pushing ahead. Think about it. If you're going to fall, at least you'll see where you're going. Falling forward means you're still heading in the right direction, even if things don't go as planned. So don't be afraid to fail. Embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Dream big, but set goals. Denzel Washington has an important message for everyone. Dream big, but don't stop there. It's great to have huge dreams, but if you don't turn those dreams into clear goals, they'll just stay dreams. Dreams without goals are like a road with no map. You might get somewhere, but it'll be random. Denzel says you need to set real, specific goals if you want to make your dreams come true. For example, if you want to be a successful actor or entrepreneur, you can't just wish for it. You have to break it down into smaller steps and take action. So dream big, but set clear goals and take action. That's how you turn your dreams into reality. Don't let unused potential haunt you. Denzel Washington says something powerful. Don't let your untapped potential haunt you. What does that mean? It means you have skills, talents, and ideas that could change your life and the world, but only if you use them. Imagine being on your deathbed and looking back, thinking about all the things you could have done, the goals you should have chased, the gifts you never used. That's what Denzel calls ghosts, the things you never acted on that stay with you forever. So don't let those ghosts follow you. Use your talents today. Don't wait until it's too late to chase your dreams and make your mark. Serve others and make a difference. You have Denzel Washington makes a powerful point. You have to use your talents to help others. No matter what skills, time, or resources you have, it's not just about you. It's about how you can make a positive impact on the world. Whether it's your time, your kindness, or your knowledge, Denzel says it's important to give back and serve others. The world needs people who are willing to help, whether it's in your community or across the globe. And here's the thing, the more you give, the more you grow. When you help others, you're not just changing their lives, you're also changing your own. What can you do today to make the world a better place? Life is messy, but that's okay. Denzel Washington says something that hits home for a lot of us. Life isn't perfect, and that's okay. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Maybe you fail a test, switch careers, or even make mistakes that feel like a big deal. But Denzel reminds us, you're not alone and your path doesn't have to be perfect. He shares his own story of struggling in school, changing his major, and even failing before he found his way. And guess what? Those messy moments, they didn't stop him. They helped him learn and grow. So don't get discouraged if life feels like a roller coaster. Embrace the mess, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Life's journey isn't about perfection. It's about progress. At the end of the day, Denzel reminds us, fall forward. Keep trying, keep learning, and never give up, even when it seems hard. The road to success is full of ups and downs, but if you keep pushing, you'll get there.